Alright guys, so today, I think it's in the mail. Let me cut it open with my box cutter. Let me move this onto my floor. I really suck at this. You got the Model A, you got the NS100 out there. Here she is. Second batch marker. Jeez. Priority mail, eBay. Got me water. Here, let me put my phone down. Dang it. It's from Kansas City, Missouri. There she is. Oh, look at her. She's so big. Oh, look at her. God, I don't want to do that. Hey guys. Hello. What? Is that it? Yep, I'm recording, so. Yeah. Oh my God, there's a phone wrap in it. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so cool. Oh my God. Look at it. Oh, look at her. I'm so happy. Yes. Look at her. She's so big. Oh, the thing's heavy. Oh my God. You can see I screw right into the modulator things and 612s. Okay. Nope. I'll break it, didn't I? Hope I didn't. Anyway, I don't think anything else from that. Nope. Jeez, dude. This thing weighs like 5 pounds. No wonder why modulators are so heavy. She can fit in my Model A. Oh my God. She's heavier. She's almost as heavy as a Model A, probably. Oh, it's still pretty heavy, but probably even heavier than Model A. Wow. So yeah, that was my unboxing of my federal Signal NS100, 100 watts. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's pretty fun. So yeah, my dad came in the room. Sorry about that. Oh, there's a driver. So yep, bye.